Hey, what is going on, YouTube? Thanks to everybody watching on Twitch. We do this live Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to check us out, go to twitch.tv/crypto world news. We do stream 24/7 live, so if you have any cryptocurrency questions, you can come hop in our chat on our stream and someone will be with you shortly. So anyways, my name's Elliot. Like I said, Monday through Friday, we talk about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, blockchain, adoption news, and we do this Monday through Friday. I'd love to have you join us live for one of these sessions if you're watching on YouTube. If you are interested in DeFi or cryptocurrency or anything like that, I have a Calendly link down below, and I would be willing to have a conversation with you. I got a wealth of knowledge, and I'd love to share it. Anyways, in today's show, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We've got some mass adoption news and a little bit of altcoin news. Lastly, we'll be taking suggestions from you, the audience, on coins you would like for me to chart. No DeFi of the projects, no DeFi projects of the day today, and we will be going over our trade lastly, or reviewing our trade, I guess. So anyways, I hope you enjoy the show. And yeah, without further ado, let's hop right into our BTC analysis. First and foremost, I kind of wanted to go over a little bit of FA, fundamental analysis. Former Canadian Prime Minister names Bitcoin as a possible reserve currency. If you don't see the need to have something as maybe a reserve currency for like a global standard, well, hold on, let me just read a couple things here. It's hard to see what the alternatives to the US dollar for a world reserve currency other than gold. Bitcoin seems like a very viable option. So the idea of us not being tethered or tied to any physical asset, like a renewable resource, or basically a finite resource, I'm sorry, like the dollar used to be tied to gold, but then in 1933, FDR made an executive signed an executive order saying that all U.S. citizens had to sell their gold to the government for $35 an ounce. And then 1977, they announced that, hey, you can now, it's legal for U.S. citizens to buy and own gold again. But also, whenever we're no longer exchanging dollars for gold. And so we don't really know what happened to that gold. So I do think there's accountability thing that concern I'd like to have, and maybe a talk that we should have with our governments. So anyways, let's look at BTC really quick. I think that's a great article. I'm going to drop all these articles below. I love the idea as Bitcoin is a possible reserve currency, or even, hey, let's take 10% of the US dollar and let's back it by Bitcoin. So 10% of all dollar has to be like, we have to hold 10% of our total money supply in Bitcoin. I think that would make the dollar extremely strong, but who am I? All right, Bitcoin, 45-minute chart. Here's what we're looking at. Boom, boom. So we came down after our all-time high. We came down to about this 31.5, maybe 30,250 level. So here's what I'm just going to kind of walk you through my analysis since this point. So we came down, this was and then we came up, we made this, I call it, whenever I say local high, I just mean what's going on currently right here in the chart. I'm not looking at super macro time frames, it's pretty micro. So anyways, we came up and made like a local high, and then we made a higher low. This low is higher than here. All right, so that would be indicative of a retest here. We managed to come up and make a higher local high, and then we made a higher low, lower high, a lower low, a higher low, and a lower high. So I know this sounds like a lot of high, hody high, hidey hey, but I have reasoning, and I'm not just saying this for nothing. This is we're kind of in this, we're in a very tight squeeze zone right here. And there are a lot of bullish, there's a lot of bullish news coming out, and, Grayscale with the largest, funding of, or the largest seed funding round that they've ever done. people are buying altcoins and Ethereum and Litecoin like there's no tomorrow. Anyways, there's a lot of people who are bullish, and there's a lot of people, especially traders, technical traders, who are bearish. The market doesn't like to be nice, so maybe we'll see a little bit of halfway expected move that we might, let's be a little bit less bearish and maybe a little less bullish, and try not to be emotional during these times. But anyways, my analysis here is this is a higher low than, or this is a lower high than our all-time high, and then this is a lower high than where we were. This was our test, and this is a lower high than here. So that's why I'm going to be playing this as I'm going to be waiting for this low test down here, and we'll see what happens. I ideally I'm in a short position. We'll check that out at the end of the stream. Any questions? Nope, no questions from the chat. Okay, cool. We're looking at a 45-minute chart. Let's go over to the 4-hour really quickly. 4-hour chart doesn't look too bad. We did get a new weekly candle today. So yesterday, or our last week's candle was looking pretty bullish when we were here at 38, opening green up here. We managed to close red. This weekly candle, this doesn't look super fantastic. We have weekly resistance at 38.1. If we get up there, there's not a whole lot. Maybe weekly support about 33K. There's not a whole lot. This is I could see if we were to break below 34K on a daily, us kind of really sliding through this zone very, very quickly. I believe I talked about that yesterday. Anyways, that's going to be all for my BTC analysis right now. Hope you have enjoyed. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat. And like I said, we will be taking suggestions from you for altcoins that you'd like for me to chart. We're going to go over into our some more news. I'm actually not going to read this whole article. This is like kind of like an emotionally driven article, I guess, but I do like it because I definitely feel the coming death of cash and the battle for the future of money. Now, if you're interested in this, there's a whole lot to this article. It has to do with two different future scenarios playing out. One future where you're in control of your money, and one where the money controls you. Anyways, so I'll leave all of these articles down below if you want to check them out. This is a pretty interesting article. I feel pretty passionately, like I said before, I feel pretty passionately about transparency and accountability. So like I still want some answers for where all that gold went, and why it was illegal for the United States to own gold in 1933. And then it became legal again after the gold was gone in 1977. So, all right, let's hop over into IOTA. IOTA inches closer to complete decentralization. IOTA is a fantastic third, maybe even like fourth generation blockchain technology coin that's currently working on its ability to be decentralized. If you're not familiar with how this network operates, it has to reach a certain capacity before it can fully operate in the intended manner, which is a decentralized manner. Currently, it is it's almost like a tricycle. It's got like a training wheel on it. The coup, the coordinator, is a centralized network that is it's like the training wheels. Before the network is fully able to support itself, it is helping, and we are getting closer and closer to that. So IOTA is AI, Internet of Things. The more smart devices that are connected to the internet, this is the coin that you want, I believe, for if you like all of those big buzzwords that we're talking about. AI, future, third-gen blockchain technology. IOTA is pretty cool. So yeah, I'll drop this article down below if you want to check it out. Any questions? Nope. All right, let's briefly go over. Let's go over our coin market caps today. I think that was the last of our news articles. BTC Manager. death of cash. Prime Minister names BTC as possible reserve currency. Yeah, not a whole lot of news today. There was some XRP, how XRP is going to fight this, and yada yada. I wasn't a big fan of the news. I try to pull the news that I like, that's less emotionally charged and factual and good for Bitcoin blockchain. Not just like news that, oh, I'm just going to shill some news. All right, Bitcoin 24-hour biggest mover, the Graph GTR, which is a DeFi project. Near Protocol is our biggest loser, down 11%. Our cryptocurrency market cap is $1 trillion. 24-hour trading volume going down a little bit. 110 bill. BTC dominance going down a little bit as well. 66.3 bill. I do like that our market cap is back over a trill. Cardano's trading. Okay. Chainlink also had a fantastic day yesterday. All right, we got any suggestions? Now is the time we will take suggestions from you. If you got any coins you want for me to chart, we're going to briefly look at our trade really quick. Okay, so we are in a Bitcoin short. We've got 0.04% Bitcoin short from, well, I guess we've got different fill prices. Our highest fill was 38,351. And we're sitting in some profit there, and then we've got some orders below that, 36,700 and 33,700. So we are short on the Bitcoin, looking for that daily close below 34K for that waterfall trickle effect that we'd like to play a part of, get some of that swingage money. This is a high risk trade because I don't know, you don't short a bull market, right? Anyways, so I'm trying to short the bull market here for the Bitcoin, and I like the Ripple news. I like XRP where it is standing currently on the 4-hour, the daily, on the weekly. XRP to BTC, I think, is just gonna pop off. So hopefully my trade will go in my favor. But if not, it's not going to be the end of the world because we only started with $100. So. We're all right. We've used $28 of our total margin out of 281 available. Our unrealized P&L is negative $171, and our total equity left is $307. Yes. Okay. So basically, what this means is we're using a small amount of our position, but we've got room to grow. We're giving ourselves room if it goes against us. If that's what this means, basically, the equity that I have left. So I fully believe this trade will be profitable. Any charts? Nope, no charts, no coins. You guys are gonna make this show easy for me today. All right, XRP to BTC. We're gonna keep this trade open. I do have some profit targets. So I've got a 2400. I believe both of these XRP are pretty far up there. Yeah. Both my Ripples profit targets are like 4 times higher than where we are right now. I fully believe I fully believe in this trade, and I'm not really concerned about. Yeah. So that would be pretty big. That'd be crazy. I could see Ripple do some pretty cool stuff here in the coming weeks. I don't know if that's going to be right now. We could go down lower. I'm not sure when that's going to happen, but when it does, I want to be there. I want to catch it. All right, no coins. XRP, we'll look at Atom. Atom's also been doing some weekly funky stuff. Atom to BTC. Looks great. Yeah, this is a staking coin that I'm staking on Atomic Wallet for like, I think 5 or 6 or 7%. I can't remember. ADA also looking pretty fantastic on our weekly. And Tesla might be ready to pull back. Traditional markets might be ready to pull back just a bit. I was looking at this over the weekend. The SPY, the S&P on the 4-hour is looking a little kind of like it wants to come back a couple $100. Maybe a little bit of pullback from the traditional markets, which would be great for our BTC analysis. So, hey, more, I'm all about it. Anyways, guys, I've made some beef jerky. I hope you like, or if you like sweet and spicy jerky, let me know. If we get like, here, last time I did it, it was stupid. I was trying to do like 500. I'm gonna upload this to YouTube. If we get 50 likes, 50 thumbs ups in 24 hours, I'll send, you just thumb up and leave a comment down below, and I'll pick one person, and if you live in the US, I'll send you a bag of my sweet and spicy jerky. It's pretty good. Everyone wants me to sell it, but I don't want to sell it. I don't wanna. I don't know, that's just a little something. I appreciate you guys sticking here, watching, checking out the live show. If you want to check me out, go to the Discord. That's the best way to communicate with me, other cryptocurrency traders. It's like a boot camp. There are other crypto channels. If you're new to Twitch or you're new to cryptocurrency, this isn't the only community. I definitely recommend checking out some other ones, because you can, yeah, there's some great communities out there, not just with Twitch, also with YouTube, and Discord is great. If you don't have Discord, there are tons of cryptocurrency communities in Discord. Just be careful, always, don't give out your private information, private keys, personal info, yada, yada, be smart. So yeah, if you want to connect with me, you can catch my next show live tomorrow, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or hit me up on Discord. I'll be in the chats all day on Twitch as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys stay safe in your trades. Uncle Scratcho, what's up? Anyone else in the chat? I'm giving shout outs now. If you want it, pop your name in the chat. 13 people watching. Appreciate all of the support. I will be doing this same time, same place tomorrow. Hopefully we will be making some money closer to that Tesla Cybertruck. And, oh, stream stopped. Okay. All right. There we go. Okay. We'll end it on this note. I hope you guys have a great day, and we will talk tomorrow. No one wants to say anything. Okay. I got no words of wisdom besides, where did our gold go? I want my gold. All right, guys. Thank you.